Imagine standing under a quiet, star-filled sky. Telescopes and observatories are silently scanning the heavens, data flowing like a river through systems, everything following its usual rhythm. But suddenly, a tiny, blinking point of light appears in the data. Its path doesn't match anything we know, its speed is wild, and its behavior totally alien. It's like a stranger from a distant corner of the galaxy has wandered into our solar system. This is where the story of Comet 3 I/Atlas begins, a cosmic tale that's about to captivate us all. Are you as curious as we are about this mysterious newcomer? Where did it come from? Why is it driving astronomers crazy? It all began on July 1st, 2025, when the Atlas project in Hawaii caught something it never expected. So, what's ATLAS? It's a super advanced system with epic telescopes in Hawaii and Chile, keeping watch over the skies day and night to spot asteroids that might get too close to Earth. Think of it as a cosmic guard, making sure nothing sneaks up on us. But this time, instead of a dangerous asteroid, Atlas found a galactic guest. A comet so strange it doesn't belong to our solar system and its behavior. Unlike anything we've seen before, meet 3 I/Atlas, the third interstellar object ever discovered, following Oumuamua in 2017 and Comet Borisov in 2019. So, why is 3 I/Atlas the talk of the town? This comet is like a cosmic gift box packed with surprises, each one hiding a new mystery. Let's unwrap it together. First off, its speed is insane. This interstellar visitor is zooming through our solar system at 68 kilometers per second. That's about 245,000 kilometers per hour. That's so fast even the sun's gravity can't hold it back. It's like 3 I/ATLAS is just popping in for a quick hello before racing off into the depths of the galaxy. Let's talk about its orbit. When astronomers calculated its trajectory, they found it's hyperbolic. What does that mean? It means this comet has no intention of sticking around the sun. It's just passing through, taking a quick spin, and then vanishing into the void of space forever. This kind of orbit is a cosmic signature, screaming, "I'm from somewhere else." Now, about its size. Estimates suggest 3 I/ATLAS is between 10 to 30 kilometers in diameter. That's way bigger than Oumuamua, which was more like a cosmic pebble, and even heftier than Borisov. This massive size gives us a golden opportunity to study a real piece of another world up close and figure out what it's made of. And here's the juiciest part, its composition. As 3 I/ATLAS gets closer to the sun, the heat causes gases and particles to burst off its surface, forming a glowing cloud called a coma. Scientists are using cool tools like spectroscopy to analyze these gases and figure out what this comet is made of. Is it just water, ice, and carbon dioxide like our comets? Or could there be something weirder, like complex organic molecules? If those are found, it might hint that the building blocks of life are scattered across the galaxy. Imagine that. A clue about life in another star system. One of the questions that has captured the minds of many space and astronomy enthusiasts is this: could the interstellar object Atlas be an artificial construct? It might sound far-fetched at first, but when the name Dr. Avi Loeb comes up, the Harvard astrophysicist known for his bold theories, the idea gains serious weight. Loeb previously suggested that the interstellar visitor Oumuamua might have been a probe or artifact from an alien civilization. Now he's proposing that the James Webb Space Telescope take a closer look at 3I/ATLAS. What he's searching for is something known as non-gravitational acceleration, motion that can't be explained solely by gravity. If such behavior is detected in this object, it could hint at some form of propulsion, maybe even advanced technology, something that doesn't usually happen in nature. Of course, many scientists, including Paul Chodas, are more skeptical. They argue that current observations, such as the presence of a coma, a cloud of gas surrounding the object, and a visible tail, are consistent with the behavior of a natural comet. Still, there are lingering mysteries. The object is unusually bright, larger than expected, and most importantly, it's from beyond our solar system. These features keep the door open for more speculation. Until we get more high-resolution data from powerful observatories like James Webb or even Hubble, the question remains in a gray area between science and speculation. To understand why 3I/ATLAS is such a big deal, let's rewind and revisit our previous cosmic visitors. Oumuamua, discovered in 2017, was a bizarre rocky object shaped like a space cigar. No tail, no coma, just speeding through with a weird vibe. Some even wondered if it was an alien spaceship. Then came Borisov in 2019, a proper comet with a coma and tail, but still from another part of the galaxy, with slightly different chemistry than our comets. Now, 3I/ATLAS is like the ultimate package, big, fast-tailed, and packed with chemical mysteries waiting to be unlocked. When can we see Atlas in the sky? Predictions say it'll reach its closest point to the Sun in late October 2025, about 1.35 astronomical units away, somewhere between Earth and Mars. At that point, its coma might flare up, creating a dazzling tail. If we're lucky, we might catch it with the naked eye, shining like a storybook comet in the night sky. Even if it's not visible without a telescope, giants like James Webb and Hubble are tracking this visitor, snapping awesome photos and collecting tons of data. 3I/ATLAS isn't just a chunk of space rock and ice. It's a time capsule from another corner of the galaxy, whispering cosmic stories. Why should we care? Because its composition could reveal what's happening in other star systems. If we find complex organic molecules, it might suggest life could form elsewhere in the galaxy. These comets are like letters from distant stars, whispering the universe's stories. Picture this. You're standing under a starry sky, 3I/ATLAS streaks overhead, and you realize it's a piece of another world. One question lingers in your mind. If this visitor carries a message from far away, what could it be? Maybe one of these comets will tell us we're not alone in this vast cosmos.